You might have heard of Spice. It's one of the many brands of synthetic marijuana, and it is illegal. Here in Tampa Bay, the fake pot is starting to make people bleed, and it's sending them to the hospital. 10 Tampa Bay's Malik Rankin talked to a poison control expert about the cases and the consequences.
People are presenting with blood in their urine, blood in their stool, blood bleeding from their gums. It's not something that can be managed at home.
These are the symptoms seen in patients who have smoked synthetic marijuana. Florida Poison Information Center says nearly 40 cases have been reported in the last 9 days.
None of these are legal. They're all Schedule I substances here in Florida. It's supposed to be outlawed and unavailable for purchase.
Some of the drugs tested were found to contain rodenticide, a substance once used to kill mice and rats.
But this is at a much higher concentration, and it appears that this spice is contaminated or adulterated with this.
Alfred Aleguas with the Poison Center says it will take months of therapy for patients to recover. The dozens of cases were all reported in Hillsborough County. It's suspected they stemmed from 2 locations in Tampa, with patients being treated at 8 different hospitals. The Poison Center suspects the drugs were confined to 1 or 2 locations. They are working to stop the problem at the source.
And it's not just Spice that you need to be worried about. Have you ever heard of K2? What about Scooby Snacks? Fake pot goes by a lot of different names, but after cops cracked down on them a few years ago, people actually kind of forgot about them. Taking a deeper dive, fake pot led to arrests and busts all across the Bay Area. Crackdowns and calls for help in St. Pete, they got national attention. A few years ago, then Attorney General Pam Bondi banned many of the chemicals used to make these products, but the makers found ways to get around them. Law enforcement figured out that corner stores were selling a lot of fake pot, and we saw a large drop in cases. Now, experts from the Florida Poison Information Center in Tampa are available to provide fast, free, and confidential help for poison emergencies. And if you have any questions, we've got their number posted for you right now on 10tampabay.com.